stopping by woods on a snowy evening.
Students Educational Channel. Standard 10 in my English course book. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Poet Robert Frost.
An appreciation of the poem.
Whose woods these are I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.
Write an appreciation of the poem according to the following points. Title. The title of the poem is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Poet. The poet of the poem is Robert Lee Frost. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem are as follows. Stanza 1 AABA, stanza 2 BBCB, stanza 3 CCDC, stanza 4 DDDD. Figures of speech. Alliteration. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Personification. My little horse must think it clear. Inversion. Whose woods these are, I think I know. Repetition. And miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep. Theme or central idea. The poem is about an experience in the poet's life when he was passing by some woods on a snowy evening. He wanted to stop there and enjoy the beauty of the place, but had to keep traveling to reach his destination.